Seeing a UFO isn't an accident. Your body is genetically wired as a high-gain antenna. Your blood contains mag to pull signals from the air, and your heart acts as a massive amplifier.
Imagine two people standing in an open field. One of them tracks a massive, hovering craft moving silently across the stars, while the person next to them looks at the exact same coordinates and sees nothing but an empty sky. We typically attribute these discrepancies to optical illusions or individual hallucinations, assuming the environment or the lighting is to blame. The evidence points to a different conclusion. Perceiving non-local phenomena is a hardware compatibility event. To see these objects, your body must be genetically wired as a high-gain biological antenna. To understand what is happening in the sky, we have to reverse engineer the most sophisticated piece of classified technology on the planet, your own physical body. The teardown begins at the geometric center of the brain, the pineal gland. While often dismissed as a simple endocrine organ, its physical structure reveals a far more complex purpose. The gland contains microscopic piezoelectric calcite microcrystals, which convert mechanical vibration and electromagnetic stress into electrical charge. At 7.5 micrometers, these crystals act as a biological radio tuner. Exposed to 440 MHz frequencies, they physically vibrate, transducing the signal into a data-rich current. This piezoelectric conversion transforms the center of the human brain into a functional radio receiver, engineered to lock onto and interpret external signals. Once received, that signal travels down the brainstem through the vagus nerve. This is the body's longest neural pathway, acting as a biological fiber-optic cable that connects the brain to every major organ. While we assume the brain is the primary broadcaster, 80% of the traffic on the vagus nerve actually flows upward. It is a massive sensory apparatus, reporting the state of your heart and gut directly to the brainstem. This neural network works alongside human blood, a highly conductive saline fluid that carries dense, real-time bioelectric data throughout the entire system. These conductive fluids and massive neural bundles form an integrated high-speed circuit board, connecting the gut's intuition to the brain's antenna. The master oscillator of this circuit is the heart. Its function goes far beyond the mechanical pressure pump model taught in basic biology. Anatomically, the heart is a single helical muscle band. It acts as a vortex engine, twisting the blood into a spiraling flow. This conductive blood creates a massive toroidal electromagnetic field radiating outward from the chest. The scale of this signal is significant. The heart's field is 5,000 times magnetically stronger than the field produced by the brain. This makes the heart the master power plant, the rhythmic amplifier that generates the carrier wave for the entire biological receiver system. To understand how this amplified signal is processed, we look back to the cranial brain and the physical markers of the receiver phenotype. Dr. Gary Nolan, a pathology professor at Stanford, used advanced MRI scans to analyze the brains of high-functioning individuals who have experienced anomalous phenomena. Nolan discovered a physical anomaly, a hyperdeveloped bundle of dense neural tissue connecting the caudate nucleus and the putamen. This structure acts as a high-speed pattern accelerator, allowing these individuals to process non-local information 2.8 times faster than the general population. For these individuals, their DNA functions as a fractal antenna, physically evolving to translate the extreme frequencies the heart and pineal gland receive. These systems, the vibrating crystals, the conductive blood, the vortex heart, and the hyperdeveloped brain, form a single integrated bioelectric circuit. The physics of this system reveal a startling consequence. A biological receiver this powerful also functions as a continuous transmitter. The unique waveform of your heart and brain broadcasts an unmaskable biological fingerprint, a specific electromagnetic signature, into the surrounding environment. Utilizing optical atomic magnetometers and AI filtering, black-budget military programs are already capable of tracking this human frequency through solid rock from miles away. Human biology is an open broadcast on a detectable, trackable bandwidth. This recontextualizes the true purpose of the objects moving through our airspace. These craft are actively broadcasting localized, high-density frequencies. They appear to target the specific genetic bloodlines that possess the hyper-developed hardware required to tune in to their exact channel. With your heart and brain constantly broadcasting an unmaskable signature into the ether, the dynamic of the encounter flips. The skies are downloading you,